Oh, come along, me hearties, and we'll roam these mountains high. Together we will plunder, and together we will die. We'll wander o'er the valleys, and we'll gallop over plain. But we'll scorn to live in slavery, bound down by their iron chains. There was a wild colonial boy, and Jack Duggan was his name. He was born and bred in old Ireland, near a place called Castlemaine. But he was his mother's only son, his father's pride and joy. And dearly did his parents love that wild colonial boy. But at the early age of 16 years, he left his native home. Transported to Australia, her sunny shores, he was to roam, where he robbed the lordly squatters, and their flocks he did destroy. He was a terror to Australia, was that wild colonial boy. And for 2 long years this daring youth ran on with his wild career. He had a heart that knew no danger, for their justice he did not fear. He stopped the Beadsworth coach up, and he robbed Judge McElvoy, who was trembling when he gave his gold up to the wild colonial boy. But Jack bid that judge good morning, and he told him to beware. He said, I'd never rob no honest judge, but acted on the square. Oh, but you would rob a mother of her son and her only joy. It's you who breed a race of outlaws like we wild colonial boys. One morning on the prairies, young Jack Duggan rode along. Well, he was whistling to the mockingbird, they were singing a cheerful song. Well, up a road, a band of troopers was Kelly and Davis and Fitzroy. They'd all set out to capture him, that wild colonial boy. Surrender now, Jack Duggan, for you can see that it's 3-1. You must surrender in a Queen's high name, or you're but a plundering son. But Jack drew his pistols from his belt, and he proudly waved them high. And he said, I'll fight, but I'll never surrender, cried that wild colonial boy. But he fired point blank at Kelly, and it brought him to the ground. And then he loosed a ball at Davis, and he fell dead, but he hit the ground. But the bullet that pierced Jack's proud young heart from the pistol of the Fitzroy. And that's the only way you can capture us, we wild colonial boys. So come along, me hearties, and we'll roam these mountains high. I said together that we will plunder